Actually, there are two calypsos that have become world famous. One is Yellowbird and the other's Lemon Tree. Which would you like me to play for you? Lemon Tree. Lemon Tree? Yeah? All right, well, we'll play you Yellowbird to start with, anyway. Here's Yellowbird for you. Now you know this one. Yellowbird up high in banana tree. Yellowbird, you sit all alone like me. Ain't your lady friend leave the nest again? Oh, how very sad, make me feel so bad. You can fly away in the sky away, you're more lucky than me. I also have a pretty girl, she not with me today. They all the same, these pretty girls, they leave the nest and they fly away. Yellowbird up high in banana tree. Yellowbird, you sit all alone like me. Black and yellow you, like banana too. You better fly away, in the sky away. The picker coming soon, he pick from night to noon. He might pick you someday. Wish that I was a yellow bird, I would fly away with you. But I am not a yellow bird, so here I sit, nothing else to do. Yeah.